Hey, welcome back everybody. We are headed out on another adventure to, well, we're not sure. We're going over another mountain pass. We're hoping that the weather is going to stay on our side. It was a little bit soggy and dreary out there yesterday. Snow levels come down a little bit more than we were expecting, so we may hit some snow. But man, the colors out here are amazing. And we are traveling with our friends from Finding Life's Moments again today, Walt and Joanne. So stick with us. Check out the colors. I can't wait till we get up further in the mountains.
So we're about, 15 minutes into our journey. And the mist in here in this mountain range is incredible. So thick. Take a look at all this up here. Beautiful. Mixed in with all the fall colors and stuff, this trip I think is going to be really amazing. I actually can't wait to see where we end up and what kind of stuff we're going to see on this pass as we've never been before. Beautiful, wow. Look up there, though.
Yeah, I know. Right there. Been over a lot of mountain passes over the years and we've seen a lot of stuff, but this area of the province we haven't really been around that much. Yeah,
just
I know, it's
gorgeous.
beautiful. Awesome.
This valley is beautiful, right? Wow, look at that. Look at the mountains ahead of us.
Amazing. Can you imagine what the views would be like if it wasn't crowded?
Oh my goodness.
Look at back there, like just the mist in the mountains.
What a beautiful drive. Well, so far it's been a beautiful journey up this pass. I can't even, the words won't even express how I feel. You got these beautiful snowy mountain peaks and all the fall colors and the winding, beautiful gravel road. Oh, just everything is all just perfect right now. I love it. We're getting closer to snow level. There's been a few points where the snow has been pretty low, so we're getting up to about, I don't know, how many meters do you think we're at?
Last time I checked, we were almost 1,000. We're probably still about 1,000 because we've been pretty straight so far. So
yeah, I think the snow level got down to about 1,300 meters last night, so we might actually still see some. So fingers crossed. As much as I hate snow, it's kind of pretty to look at the first time of the year.
But these mountains, they just, wow. firewood.
Hi.
It's gonna be cold tonight.
I gotta bend down.
Yeah, like that.
Here, I can check that in my truck.
Yeah, that's nice.
Well, okay?
That'll be good.
Nice. Oh, yeah, pretty light.
All right, we got some firewood on our way. All right, so we are almost at 1,200 meters, and we did hit a little bit of snow, just a light dusting.
Just a skiff.
And that
And
sure is pretty.
Beautiful up here. Still 1 degree, we're above zero, so that's great. Loving all the views, loving all the mountains, snow, just everything about it. This is one of those trips that in the summer is really, really nice. But I don't think everybody understands how beautiful it can be this time of year. All right, so we're told there's an amazing waterfall here. And whoa, oh boy, what a feature that is.
Wow, that is amazing.
So we're pretty much at the bottom of the pass now. Just stopped to see this really neat dam down here. And then, yeah, we're gonna head out, hit camp, and yeah.
It's been an awesome day so far, and super excited to see where we're camping tonight. Area, again, another one, a new one to us. This is awesome.
Yeah, so great.
Yeah, so stick with us, and we'll check in later.
You bet. Cheers. So I think this might be where we're camping tonight. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful. And we're not even all the way down there yet.
No, it's gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, I think this is our campsite. What a cool area.
Looks like I think they're just there for the day.
That's what I was thinking,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's right over here, there's still a grove of trees we could be under. But I mean,
Right?
that's really nice
So
right here.
We just stopped because it's like, what do you guys, I don't know what you guys want to
So you pick.
Oh, no. We're the guests. Guests don't pick.
Yeah.
put. Yes, do pick.
No.
Oh, I don't know what else there is to choose from, so.
Yeah, there's no places like this in the Okanagan. Everything is private property or provincial.
I don't know why there's no sound here, but this Sandico torch that we have from Amazon is so much fun. Not the most efficient thing in the world, but come on. Is there a better way to light a fire than that? If you want one, hit the link below in the description and get one for yourself.
So we have arrived at our camp for the night. The rain did catch up with us, but we got the tents up and the gazebos up and the fire going just in time. So now we're just gonna chill for a little bit, have some dinner later, and enjoy time with some good friends.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Carm.
Ha 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 ha.
What's on the menu tonight?
We're having spaghetti.
Ooh,
Spicy red pepper spaghetti. I'm cheating a little bit because I bought jarred spaghetti sauce, but I'm adding stuff to it.
Well, I think most people do that anyway. We got some good ground beef in there, and we're cutting up some onion.
Just a little bit. I want to save half of it for tomorrow morning.
Nice. And then we got some veggies all prepped up and ready to go, and spaghetti sauce and red pepper chili flakes. Warm us up because it's
A little chilly
kind
out here.
of chilly and rainy out here right now. But that's okay, we're all covered up. Nice. Got the fire going down there. All right, dinner is served. Spaghetti with
Well, just spaghetti.
meat sauce.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Spicy red pepper meat
Yeah,
sauce.
it's gonna be really good.
I hope so.
It will be. Anyway, we're gonna call that a night, and yeah,
All right, so
it's been a great night so far. Boy, I'll see you in the morning.
All right.
Oh, shit. It's crazy.
Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful morning. No, it's not. Holy shit.
Oh my goodness, last night was insane.
Wow.
When we went to sleep last night, there were 2 gazebos up over here,
Yep. One ended up,
way back in the trees.
yeah, way back over there somewhere. Ours actually woke me up about 2:30 in the morning because something slammed into the truck, and I'm like, what the hell was that? So I had to get up in the middle of this pouring rainstorm and super, super windy. Our gazebo walked over and banged into a truck. It was so loud. Holy crap.
Yeah, the wind, like the whole truck was just shaking. It
Yeah, it was like an earthquake up there.
was insane. Yeah, Walt and Joanne's tarp way the heck over there. They just brought it back.
Yeah,
So it was way over in the trees. What a night.
what a night. Anyway,
We're gonna pack
not
up
much
in
sleep.
the rain.
We're gonna pack up, get the heck out of here because it is gross out today.
Yeah, all in all, it was a great weekend with great people. It was another great weekend with
Yep.
finding nice moments, Walt and Joanne. It was
Yeah.
awesome despite the wind and the rain.
Yep.
But here's to another weekend. Thanks for watching.
Yep, go down, hit subscribe, like, share,
We'll
and
see you
until
next
next time,
time.
stay curious, stay adventurous, and we'll see you out there. Hopefully
Cheers.
not in the rain.